Hello guys, welcome to Elite Crypto. My name is Alex, and in this video I'll be showing you an alternative of OpenSea where you can buy and sell NFTs easily. Okay, alright, and before I begin, please do well to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Okay, alright, now let's begin. First thing you have to do, make sure you have MetaMask installed on your device, because for this video I'll be making use of MetaMask. Okay, so do well to download MetaMask for your device. All right, okay, now the name of the token is Looks. Okay, recently they did an airdrop which so many persons got, and if you didn't get it, well, you still have an opportunity. So stay glued to this channel and watch this video to the end. All right, okay, now first thing you have to do, you have to add Looks to your MetaMask. You have to add it to your MetaMask wallet. Okay, so what you have to do, you have to copy the contract address. And how do you go about it? You have to download CoinGecko. All right, download CoinGecko and you type in Looks and you get the contract address. So this is how you do it. All right, so this is CoinGecko on my device. So allow it to load, and I go to search. Okay, click on search and click on Looks. Okay, all right, so this is a contract address. I'll copy this contract address and paste on MetaMask. All right, so go back to MetaMask and I'll import the address. All right, all right, so now what you have to do, you click on import tokens. Just below here you click on import tokens, you click on it and you go to custom token. Okay, you click on custom token and paste the contract address, and automatically to take effect. You see now, as you can see, token symbol looks token precision 8, and then you click on import. Okay, then it automatically be added to your wallet. All right, yeah, so this is it, looks now on my wallet. All right, so what you have to do, you have to send looks, you have to purchase looks from OKX, you have to purchase it from Uniswap, Gate.io, Hobby, and whatever platform you are using. You have to transfer looks to this address. Okay, you can buy it from anywhere, OKX or Hobby or Mex or Gate.io. So after purchasing it, you transfer to this address, you open your looks and you see the receive address and you send your looks. Okay, all right, so now how do we, this is it, you copy this receive address and yeah, you send. Okay, so now next thing you have to do is, how do we buy and sell NFT on Looksrare.org? Okay, so you go to your browser and make sure your network is on Ethereum main network. All right, make sure it's on Ethereum main network. So you come to browser. Okay, then Looksrare.org, as you can see, Looksrare.org. You can search, you can click on this search icon and type in Looksrare.org. Make sure it's on Ethereum main network. If it's not on Ethereum main network, you click on this three icon below. This three icon below, you click on it and you see switch network, so you can switch. Okay, mine's on Ethereum main network, as you can see. All right, so now this is the website. So how do you list NFTs? Now, one thing about Looks, they have cheaper gas fees unlike OpenSea, and you are being rewarded with Looks for trading on their platform, which is quite interesting. Okay, that's why so many buyers and sellers have left OpenSea recently to Looksrare.org to buy and sell NFT because of the rewards. You know, when you trade on Looksrare, you're being given looks as rewards, okay, and also staking. All right. Now, the next step you have to do, you have to connect your wallet to the site, and you click on this one showing wallet here, just in between the search icon and the menu. So you click on it, okay, then you select MetaMask, okay, click on MetaMask. All right, you allow it to pop up. All right, so it's connected now. As you can see, my wallet has been connected, okay. So now the next step you have to do, you have to go to list an NFT, okay, click list an NFT, okay. And one interesting thing about staking your looks on looksrare.org is you're being given rewards in wrapped Ethereum or looks as rewards, and they have good APR. They have good APR of about 893%. Okay, so what you have to do here, you edit your profile, and that is it. You click on edit profile. Okay, so as you can see, you just input your username, your bio, and your social, and submit. Okay, so that's just it. Now, so staking, how do you stake on looks? All right, so you click on this tree menu, top right corner, which is this, click on it, this tree, okay, and you click on rewards. And allow it to load. All right, now look at the APR of looks is about 896.97 APR, which is really huge. Okay, so how do you stake? Now, if you remember, during the early part of this video, I said you have to send looks from maybe OKX, wherever you purchase it from, send to your MetaMask, okay. And when you send to your MetaMask, then you can easily stake looks and get this huge APR. All right, and when you stake, rewards to collect are wrapped Ethereum and looks. You understand? Those are the rewards for staking on this platform, which is quite interesting. So I'll encourage you guys that are into NFTs, buying and selling, check out looksrare.org. I think it's quite better than OpenSea, and so many buyers and sellers are rushing to looksrare.com recently, so you can easily sell your NFT and make your money easily, as fast as possible. All right, and if you trade on Looksrare, you can easily get these rewards. As you can see, when you trade, you get looks as rewards, which is quite interesting because OpenSea doesn't give you this. You understand? So you have to check out these guys. Check out looksrare.com, and also their liquid pool staking, as you can see here. Quite interesting. Okay, so if you enjoy this video, like, subscribe to my channel, so I'll be dropping more interesting content for you guys. Okay, so do have a blessed day. See you in the next video, guys.